Okay, Paul Catchall, 423buyland.com. I am at our unit that we're doing right now, and I just wanted to give you another video to show you my progression, because as a DIYer, I believe there's a lot for you to learn from. First of all, we hooked up this for our water pipes. Now look, this is the PEX A water pipe. A lot of people say, well, what's the difference? Look, PVCC is at the lowest grade of water pipe at this point. I don't even think they're going to be using them anymore. PEX is going to be the standard. The difference between PEX A and PEX B? PEX A is better. It's the best in my opinion. From the couplings that go on to also, one thing about PEX B is that when you have two water pipes and you have to put a coupling between it, what happens is that water flow constricts and gets smaller during the coupling, whereas with PEX A, no matter what coupling you do, the PEX A is expanded around it. You never have water restriction whatsoever. And also, PEX A will hold up better under pressure, and it's a completely different composite. So I'm a big PEX A fan, but you gotta buy the tool. It costs $400 or $500. This is our tankless hot water heater, and I just hung this up here temporarily so that we can do the wiring here. I'm gonna be bringing it right through this stud and going up. And we've also run the electric. If you see these wires hanging down right here, we've not finished the electric, but we have finished running the electric. So here's the living room. And the living room is pretty straightforward. We're having a lot of fun with this. One of the biggest obstacles has been running the wire. It's not as easy as it looks, but one thing I want to tell you, if you ever do the work by yourself, like I did, the two tools that will help you become a one-man wrecking ball, there's two. Meaning, look, this is a lot of work for one person. That swing stage, this rolling scaffold right here, cost around $270. Folks, if you're doing a job by yourself, grab it. You see this ceiling up there? Can you imagine doing this ceiling off a stepladder? No way. So that's item number one that I really highly suggest you get. Item number two that I suggest you get is, without a doubt, a nail gun. You're not going to do this by hammer and nails. You have a nail gun and you have this rolling scaffold. You are in business. You're a one-man wrecking machine. I did the ceiling in a day. I literally just pull myself along. This thing is great. It fits between the doors too. You can push it into any room. And this is the back bedroom, and we have a wire here for the fan. I have another wire here for lights. And as you can see, we're not there finished with the electric, but we are hoping that in the next 2 weeks, we're gonna be done with the electric. Actually, next week, we're gonna do the electric and the plumbing. And when that's done, next on our list is the insulator. Of course, this has gotta be done right because we're going foam insulation all the way. We wanna make sure that over the next 25 years, we don't have a problem. So I guess the finer points to take away from this is, number one, I highly suggest go with PEX A piping. It's the cream of the crop. It will not burst. And when you go into the plumbing store, I asked them, and he goes, Paul, it's not going to burst in Texas. Forget it. It may expand like a softball in extreme cold weather, but it will shrink right back down to normal. Anyway, Paul Catchall, 423buyland.com. Love my camera lady.
Do you want a puppy? Do you want your own puppy? Do you want your own puppy? You want Daddy get you a puppy?